Shalom Aleichem, gentlemen. I was asked to speak about either Tu B'Shvat or Parshas B'Shalach, and I think we'll speak about both because there's a lot in common. Tu B'Shvat is the time the Gemara says, Roiv Gishmi Hashana have already fallen, and the sap of the tree starts going in, and the pears start budding. It's a transmission between the winter and the beginning of the summer. Who then Parshas B'Shalach? The whole Sefer Shemos is called Sefer HaGolus V'Geula. Parshas B'Shalach, we're in transition from the Golus, and yet we're not totally out yet. Out of Mitzrayim, Paro is chasing us. There's a lot in common between them. But what's the tachas of the winter B'chlal, and what's the tachas of Golus B'chlal? It's almost a depressing time. You're locked into your house, or you're locked into a Golus. But the teretz is, when you're locked in, then you have opportunity to find yourself. Your koiches hapnimiyim, because you don't have the distractions unless you really search them out. But the natural distractions are gone, and then you have the opportunity of finding yourself in your koiches hapnimiyim. When the Geula comes, there's a transition. You have to use all your bechira that you did during the Golus or during the winter, all the bechira that you did l'toiv, whether it was a perfect bechira all along or it wasn't so perfect, but you have to focus on all the positive bechira that you did during those tekufas, and at this point you have to guide it to the right channel. We know when they went out of Mitzrayim, there was a danger. 4/5 of Klal Yisrael didn't go out. Some say more than that didn't go out. And even when they went out, there was a danger. If they go derech Eretz Plishtim, they may want to go back to Mitzrayim. Who adin? When we look into the past, and we chose Baruch Hashem good bechiras here and there, and we have to make plans for the future. They should be based on the good bechir that we did. And now's the time where you could decide how your future is going to look like. The Golus and the Gula itself, the Ramak writes, the Moshe Cordovero writes that just like in the time of Mitzrayim, 4/5 went out, it's Chlil B'chas, it's possible that when Mashiach comes, the same thing could happen. Hashem Yishma. We have to now focus on our koiches Pnimium and know that we can make the right decisions for the future. That's why we're mispalv Tu B'Shvat for a good esrog, because esrog is connected to a person's heart. The fear meisim that you do, that's the type of heart you go to. So Hashem should help us all focus on the positive. We did choose, made good bechiras during the winter, during Golus. Hashem should help that we should make the right decisions now, what our summer is going to look like and what the Gula will look like in Yitzhak.